Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram as well as a Facebook group. So both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that groups, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies notification or the advertisement from the two different colleges from two different states. And here the opportunities are there for the UGC NET qualified candidates or without UGC NET or without PhD. That means only with PG qualification also you are having the opportunities here. So let us see the details regarding these advertisements. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, here you may check down. So it is the MEPCO Engineering College. Okay, it is autonomous college, guys, from Tamil Nadu. You may check down here. The contact number is also provided and the email ID and the official website is also provided here. And wanted the associate as well as the assistant professors. So qualification required is PhD or ME or MTech in robotics, industrial automation and robotics with BE or BTech in robotics and automation, mechanical and automation engineering, mechanical engineering, mechatronics, production engineering and technology, automobile engineering and aeronautical engineering. Okay. And here the eligibility is first class in UG and PG. So PhD candidates will be preferred and the previous teaching experience is preferable. And incentives will be based upon the publications and R&D projects. So financial assistance for pursuing the postdoctoral fellowship and financial assistance for paper presentation as well as for the conference, encouragement for doing the research activities and preference for children of faculty in admission and medical insurance coverage for the faculty. And applications in the prescribed format should reach us within 7 days and form can be downloaded from our website. Okay. So here the official website is also mentioned here. So from this website you may download the form, guys. Okay. So after downloading the form, then you have to fill up, guys, and follow the instructions whatever that is mentioned in the website. So within 7 days means we got this advertisement today only. That means 21st Feb 2021. So you may check down, guys. And coming to the second colleges, so this one, Anna Adarsh College for women. So here applications are invited for the women candidates for the post of assistant professor. And you may check down the departments or psychology, business administration, commerce, bank management, corporate secretaryship, master of social work, economics, nutrition, food service management and dietetics, and English literature, Tamil, French and assistant physical director. Okay. And eligibility is a PhD or NET or SLET in the relevant subjects. Okay. You may apply to the principal within 10 days. And here the contact number as well as email ID is also provided and the official website is also mentioned here. And this one is affiliated to the University of Madras. Okay. So these are the two notifications from the two different colleges and from the same state. Okay. So the interested candidates may apply for this one. And please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the two new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be And why? Because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.